1970 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Roadster. Was West Coast owned, collector owned, and restored. How can I tell you? It's AC and 4-speed. It's everything you'd want out of a 280 SL, and in excellent condition throughout. We're going to take it for a quick run, as we normally do. Here we are, as usual, at operating temperatures with our 1970 280 SL. As they say in Germany, it is going to start sprinkling. So hopefully we don't have to put the top up. As you can see, it's a 4-speed with air conditioning, and it's really an exceptional car throughout. Not much more we can say other than it's one of the finest 280 SLs we've had. I'm sure there'll be others, but they don't come like this often. So we're going to take it up in speed a little bit and show you that it's as steady as can be. Here we are. We're going to show you what it's like at speed, especially since we would like to beat the rain back to the dealership.